Hello YouTube friends, this is another financial video, and since finance is related to mathematics, this video is going to be very relevant. In today's clip, I'm going to be showing you how to produce an invoice for a client, and invoices usually contain VAT, and to calculate VAT you have to deal with percentages. Now, when you're producing an invoice, your company details have to go up here, like this. Your customers' details have to go to the left, like this. Their account number should be here, which is alphanumerical. Your invoice number should be over here. Your VAT registration number should be over here. And the date that you write this invoice should be over here. Now generally this is what the top of an invoice should look like. However, you could be using different software, so the look and feel is going to be different. Moving on, there are other details that an invoice should contain. The description of what you're selling, the quantity of what you're selling, the unit cost of what you're selling, and the total, which is going to be the quantity multiplied by the unit cost. There are other things that need to be filled out. That is the net total, the VAT, and the invoice total, plus your terms. That is the terms of the payment. So I've shown you what an invoice should look like and the details that it should contain. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to fill out an invoice correctly. So you've got your company details over here, and you've got your customers' details over here, and you've produced an alphanumerical code to reference that customer. So the next step should be to put down your invoice number, your VAT registration number, and also the date of your invoice. Let's pretend it's the start of the business year and you have less than 1,000 clients. That would mean your invoice number could be 001. Now your VAT registration number is going to be 9 digits long. As an example, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over here. If you are a small company, you won't require a VAT registration number. So over here you'd just put none applicable if you are a very small company. However, if you're working for a large company, a VAT registration number would be required, and you would be required to pay VAT. Okay, the next step, today's date, that's going to be 12/09/20. Okay, moving on to what you're selling and the cost of what you're selling. Let's put down 10 size 5 footballs at a cost of $6.99 each. If that is the case, the net total of what you're selling is going to be $6.99 multiplied by 10, and that gives us £69.90. So £69.90 is going to go over here. Okay, so far so good. Now let's put this value over here into the net total box down here. Next, let's calculate VAT. Because we're in the UK, this is going to be 20% of the net total. 20% is equivalent to 0.2. So to get VAT, we're going to multiply 69.90 by 0.2. Let's do that. and that's going to give us 13.98. Once again, if you have a small company, you probably won't have to pay VAT. So in that case, this over here would be none applicable or just 0. However, for the purpose of this video, we are going to say you have a large company and paying VAT is required. So we've got the net total and we have the VAT. Let's add them up to get the invoice total. So I'm going to add 69.90 to 13.98, and that's going to give me 83. Let me just see the calculator again. 88. And this is going to be the invoice total. Since all the main details have been sorted out, we can now set our terms. What we could do is give our customer 30 days to make the payment via bank transfer. Okay? So 30 days to make the payment via bank transfer. Okay? Those are our terms. There, you've completed your first invoice, and this is what it should look like. I'm sure that after you've watched this video, you'll be able to create your own invoices for your company, and if you are studying bookkeeping, you're going to know how to get top marks. Now, before you leave, there is one thing I need to warn you about. That is, always double check your invoices to ensure the details are correct. That way, your client is going to be happy, you are going to be happy, and if you're working for someone, your boss is going to be happy. Guys, if this video has been useful to you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me also tell you about my mathematics proofs page. If you like mathematics and you are interested in mathematics proofs, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Anyway, that's all from me for today, and I'll see you again soon.